Welcome to join this information session. And I'm going to introduce you the program about low altitude economy for the MSc. All right. Firstly, I would like to show you the campus map. Although you may notice that the main campus of PolyU is relatively small, but it has good facilities, uh, ranging from some teaching facilities, the library, and also for some entertainment, for example, swimming and other kinds of sports, table tennis, and so on. Our Faculty of Engineering has multiple departments, and our Department of Aeronautical and Aviation Engineering is one of them. And besides this, you can see that there are some other departments ranging from biomedical engineering, computing, data science, and artificial intelligence, electrical and electronic engineering, Department of Industrial and System Engineering, and mechanical engineering. Here is the ranking highlights. Besides others that for the universities, we want to emphasize on the subject ranking of aerospace engineering. As you can see that in the 2022 academic ranking of the World University, which is shortened by ARWU, our subject of aerospace engineering is ranked 44. And probably the number for the last year is 24. Yeah, here we haven't updated that. Among the university, we do have several strategic research domains ranging from aerospace, aviation, life science and biotech, food safety, sustainability development and smart city, high-speed rail and building structure, and internet communication, big data, cloud computing, and AI. As you can see that our department has two here, aerospace and aviation, strategic research domains listed by the university. So our department is quite important in the university. For our own department, let me give you a brief introduction. We have six major research areas, including aviation engineering, satellite communication and navigation, aerodynamics, flight mechanics and control, aerospace structures and materials, and aerospace propulsion and combustion. Here is some more information about the different research directions. For example, for the first direction, aviation engineering, we have done some research about the evaluation of situational awareness of air traffic control officers. And basically, we have some equipment that can be used to detect some information from the brain of the operator or even a pilot, and then we do some analysis based on that. Here is a major research and the teaching facility, and it is the 1-to-1 scale I320 flight simulator, and we have the software that simulates the Hong Kong airport, international airport. Students and also some researchers are doing their own project using this device. And some from time to time, we may invite some pilots to help us to do the project. And the second direction is called satellite communication and navigation. This is mainly focusing on the navigation perspective, how to make your mobile device be able to localize itself and be able to navigate itself. the particular research problems covers receiver design and the signal processing, positioning and navigation, mapping and the sensor fusion, and also integrity monitoring. We have a big collaborator from the industry, which is Huawei. They support this company supports us quite a lot for doing research. Uh, the next one is called Aerodynamics. We have probably 3 to 4 colleagues are doing this direction. Here is just a glance of a project, which is called hypersonic lambda turbulent transition. And there are also some other projects under this direction. Here is a major research facility. This is a very powerful wind tunnel, and it used to support some research about hypersonic. The fourth one is called flight mechanics and control, and I'm one of the members of this group. We actually cover different types of aircraft, ranging from multi-rotor aircraft, which is often called drones, and we also have this kind of tail seater, as you can see on the top left. We also have fixed-wing aircraft and also tail rotor aircraft, just like this, as you can see. And here are some, on the left bottom, you can see some drones that we designed and built by ourselves. And we have also included some videos for you to understand more about our research. The first one here is called the anti-disturbance. So when the aircraft, when the drone feels some external disturbance, it needs to be able to reject that. And this project is about multi-drone collaboration. You can see there is a big drone, and we call it Aviation vehicle carrier. And this carrier can carry a small-scale drone to overcome the battery limitation for the small-scale drone. And this one is called idle flight. We wish the drone can fly in this way for some particular applications. And on the bottom right, you can see a particular project that we have done last year, which is called drone parcel delivery. And different from what you may have seen in some other places, this project focuses on enabling the drone to fly into the balcony of the customer. So in the future, probably if the buildings, the apartments have a good size of the balcony, we may receive our parcel from the buildings. So we do not need to get outside to pick up our parcel, and no human labor will be used during this process. Done the research actually from our own laboratory, as you can see here. And there is a small platform, and we use that to mimic the balcony. And here is the outdoor environment testing site, and the collaborator built this building, and our researchers and the students did their algorithm validation via this facility. Currently, this is an older version actually. At that time, we used this kind of we code for the camera for localization. But recently, we have further developed a new algorithm that enables the drone to just use LiDAR to get the localization and also the object detection. So the camera was not in use at the moment, just because of the privacy issue. Because the drone, one, it needs to fly into the balcony, Probably the customers may not be happy if you carry a camera on. Yeah, all right. And the fifth direction is called aerospace structure and materials. So basically, the main work we have been doing in this direction is about the materials. Uh, we have different metrics to look for example, strength and also the endurance like this. And we also have a joint lab with our very powerful institute, and they provide us both fund and equipment to do research. Okay, about the program that we want to offer in the coming September, that is Master of Science in Low Altitude Economy. Here is a list of the core subject. Basically, we actually involves multiple subjects from different perspectives. So we wish that students can be equipped with the necessary knowledge and the concept for their future work. So the core subject, as you can see here, involves air mobility and airspace management, service design and fleet management, airspace design, traffic service, and the urban aircraft system traffic management. These are some high-level topics about the management perspective. And on the bottom here, you can see that we also have some hardcore subjects that focusing on some technologies related to the safety of the aircraft. For example, here you can see the robust control technology, safety, reliability, and the airworthiness requirement for aerial vehicle, and also mechanics and control. Finally, it is the electronics design and informatics. And additionally, we also have a subject from a sister department, and they help us to open this urban informatics subject. This will also help you to understand how this low altitude economy can happen in the urban environment. Um, we have actually fixed the mode for this program, either full-time or part-time, both are fine. The normal duration actually depends on the students. Um, if you plan well, taking 5 subjects in each semester, then the shortest time to complete this program is just 1 year. But definitely, if you want to slow down your pace, and probably you can do it up to 3 semesters, that is 1.5 years. And if it is a part-time, the maximum, the normal duration is 2.5 years. Yeah. Actually, different students may have different preference, so it is really up to the students themselves. And to complete the program, we require totally 31 credit. 30 credits are for 10 subjects, and 1 credit for the academic integrity and ethics. And for the 30, the former 30 credits, we have actually 2 options. The first option is that you only take subjects. So totally you have to pass 10 subjects, including 6 IAE core subjects. And the second option is 7 subjects, including at least 6 IAE core subjects plus a dissertation. So this dissertation is equivalent to 3 subjects, that is 9 credits. Yeah, this is up to the student's preference. Um, the final date for the application is the end of April, and we expect that we can admit totally 45 students. We also offer some scholarships for high quality students. If a student choose the departmental dissertation, we have a committee that can review the applications, and the some student might get this scholarship, and it is 5,000 per month, so totally $60,000 for 1 year, up to 1 year. And the selection is actually merit based on the quality of the application profile. Here is the entrance requirement. Generally, we require the candidates to will have the bachelor degree in normally engineering, science, and technology. And we will also consider the candidates that have relevant qualifications or working experience. For example, some students have been working as air traffic control officers, aircraft maintenance engineers, transportation engineers, control engineers, and so on. Yeah. If you have this kind of experience, just put them into the application profile, and we will consider that as well. About the language, there are two options. One is TOEFL, at least 80 for the internet-based test. Another is IELTS, and at least the overall band score shall be at least 6. Right, the higher the better, actually. The last page shows the inquiry information. If you have any query or questions about your application and the admission, you can send an email to this address, to AR, Academic Registry. And if you have any questions about the program, you can contact the following emails. If it is a kind of general question, for example, I don't know, just the non-academic questions, you can reach the general office, okay, via this email address. If it is about if your question is about some academic problems, you can contact either me or the deputy program leader. So yeah, all these are fine. Yeah, that's all I wish to share with you today.